Your gut is more than just a digestion system. It's the foundation of your entire health. Inside your body lives over 100 trillion bacteria, known as the gut microbiome, and these microscopic organisms play a major role in your digestion, immune system, brain health, and even mood. In America, poor gut health has become increasingly common due to processed foods, stress, antibiotics, and lack of fiber. But the great news is you can fix your gut naturally and start feeling better within weeks. In this video, we'll break down 7 science-backed strategies to heal and strengthen your gut health, designed especially for modern American lifestyles. Tip 1. Eat more fermented foods. Fermented foods contain natural probiotics that feed your gut bacteria. Great choices include yogurt with live cultures, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kombucha. Just one small serving a day can make a huge difference in your microbiome. Tip 2. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber is the favorite food of your good gut bacteria. Americans often eat less than half the recommended daily amount. Add chia seeds, oats, apples, lentils, and leafy greens to your meals. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily. Tip 3. Cut back on sugar and artificial sweeteners. These substances feed bad bacteria and cause imbalance. Try to limit soda, candy, packaged desserts, and sugar-free products with aspartame or sucralose. Instead, use honey or stevia in moderation. Tip 4. Manage your stress. Believe it or not, your gut and brain are directly connected. Chronic stress disrupts your gut lining and changes the bacteria. Try meditation, deep breathing, spending time in nature, or even a simple walk after dinner to relax your gut. Tip 5. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Sleep is the time when your body and gut heal. If you stay up late, snack at midnight, or sleep irregularly, your digestion suffers. Build a steady sleep routine and avoid eating 2 hours before bed. Tip 6. Stay hydrated. Water helps move food smoothly through your digestive tract. Dehydration can cause bloating and constipation. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, or more if you live in a hot state like Texas or Florida. Tip 7. Take a high-quality probiotic supplement, optional. If you've recently taken antibiotics or struggle with IBS, a trusted probiotic may help restore your gut balance. Look for one with multiple strains and at least 10 billion CFUs, and always talk to your doctor before starting. Improving gut health doesn't have to be complicated. Choose 2 or 3 of these tips to start with, and keep building from there. Your energy, mood, and digestion will thank you, and so will your long-term health. Thanks for watching Inner Vitality, your trusted source for natural, science-backed health tips in the USA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly wellness content.